This is a video to learn how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. Like if you will change the ID, so information will be changed. Like this. So to create this type of VLOOKUP, I will clear and I will show you from start. So firstly select this first row, copy it and here paste as transpose. Now enter any ID like I5. You write the ID same. Now here we need to use formula. I will show you. Type equal VL. Click on VLOOKUP. Now select this ID cell. This is in my case H1. This is the ID cell. Again VL. Select VLOOKUP. Select this ID cell. It's I1, comma. Now table array is highlighted. Click on it and select your table. Press shift and arrow. Then shift, control and down arrow. So in just one click you can select it using this shortcut. Now here comma. Now type ROW. Select this first one. Select here another one, comma, and select 0. Press enter and drag and drop. You will see this error. So again click here this scope and select here I1 and press F4 on your keyboard. F4. If F4 not working, so function key 9 F4. So you will see the $sign. Now same, select here A1 to E15. Then press F4. F4 key on your keyboard. Now press enter. So we fixed this value. Now drag and drop. So now this VLOOKUP is working. Like this. Thanks for watching.